The Mercedes G-Class with BRABUS Adventure package is ready to explore. Equipped with the Adventure package, the more versatile G is like a tuner's take on the G-Class 4x4 squared without the portal axles. It sits higher than the regular version and has a widebody kit, lending it a more menacing appearance. The show car was at the IAA based on the G350D, but BRABUS says it will offer the upgrades for all versions of the W463. In the case of the diesel, its inline-six 3.0-liter engine has been bumped by 44 horsepower and 44 foot-pounds of torque to 326 horsepower and 509 foot-pounds of torque. The additional output enables the capable SUV to hit 62 miles per hour in just 7.2 seconds and max out at 126 miles per hour. That might not sound much, but let's keep in mind the G-Class weighs a whopping 5,238 pounds.